Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. Long story short, I created this channel to show you can cook great food in small spaces and have a great time doing it. All you need is laughter, happiness in your heart and soul. I want to inspire you to make great memories in your tiny kitchen. So please like, subscribe, share with all your family and friends to be part of my tiny cooking family. So today we'll be making cinnamon crescent rolls. I found this recipe from Tornado Alley. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe. To our bowl, we're going to add a half a cup of softened butter, 1/4 brown sugar, 1/4 regular sugar, granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, we're going to mix this up well. You can use a mixer for this if you choose. We want to get it all incorporated. Okay, we're going to put this to the side. We're going to take our crescent rolls that we get from, I get big ones, the grands. Take a rubber spatula. We're just going to wipe it on, just like if you're doing cinnamon rolls. Then we're going to, should put it the other way. We're going to roll it up. Tuck that under, tuck that in. I'll do another one. Just wipe it on. Tuck that under, and we're going to stick them on a cookie sheet. Don't overcrowd it because they will grow, and just continue. It's supposed to be enough for 2 cans, but mine are big, so I might not have enough for 2. That's fine. Okay, when they're all done, they should look like this. You want to make sure you tuck the little tail underneath. We're going to put these in the oven for 11 to 13 minutes. It's already been preheated at 375. My oven says 375. I'm going to stick this in. While our cinnamon crescent rolls are cooking, we're going to make the glaze. You need 1 cup of powdered sugar, but it's easier for me to use a half a cup to get my powdered sugar out. So I'm using 2 half cups. I'm putting it into a bowl that's big enough to dip my crescent rolls in. A little bit more. Not quite half a cup. There. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. Two teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to whisk it together. Just be patient, it'll all incorporate. I'm also going to add some cream cheese spread to it. I like it kind of whipped. So I'm going to add 2 of my little, what I call my mini spoons. 2 heaping. Just keep mixing. As you can see, it's nice and thick. That looks good. Now we just gotta wait till our Crescent cinnamon rolls are done. It's been 14 minutes. We're going to take them out. It's okay, some of the filling came out. And we're going to put them on a cooling rack and let them cool just for a very little bit. I think for about 3 minutes. They cool very slightly. Use one where you can handle them. We're going to dip them in our icing. Put it back on a tray. Just until they're all dipped. Very hot. Still kind of warm, so it's really hot. Okay, I'm going to plate mine up. They look really good. Let's see, this one. And now finally the best part. Crescent cinnamon rolls. They do smell so good. And now, finally, the best part. We get to try our Crescent cinnamon rolls. They look great, and they smell so good. It's still morning here, so I'm serving mine with a cup of coffee. Mmm. 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 So good. One more bite. Mmm. They taste like flaky cinnamon rolls. Really good. So easy. It really didn't take us any longer than a half an hour, maybe a little longer, to make all these. It's perfect. You can make it for breakfast, for a snack, if you want a sweet treat, dessert, or even better yet, those holidays where you really want something special, but you have so much going on. Perfect. Whip these up. You can whip these up really quick, serve them to your family, and get on with your fun holidays. These are really, really good. Definitely must try. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to please like, subscribe, and share with all your family and friends to be part of my Tiny RV Cooking family. If you leave a comment down below if you made any of these great recipes. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see me make in my tiny kitchen. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!